Engineerman.
Hey guys. Hey guys. The winter storm came to Texas. I'm out here in not much clothes, so I won't be out here for that long, but holy crap. And I have school today. Naomi's class didn't even get canceled today. I was surprised because they freak out about the weather. But TCU was canceled today. And few other schools, but not my school or Naomi's school. I bet you not many people are going to go to class. I'm going to make a snowball and see how good it is. So hold on. Yep, perfect packing snow. I don't think I've ever seen better packing snow. I'm going to go inside and put it on somebody's face.
His wife wants me to measure. Did you get the wood? Did you get the wood?
Perfect packing snow.
Oh, is it?
Like the best packing snow I've ever seen. Like I just
Did you
like
see how he
grabbed
pulled
it
back?
and it,
That was good. That was good.
Hey, go get the wood and some Tylenol in the middle.
You almost hit the light. That'd been funny. Scott! I hit the light, just skimmed it. That would have been funny. But
Scott.
Jordan! Whoa! Did you see that? You even turned.
We could go make a snowman.
Wow.
Pretty good one too.
Throw that Terry real hard.
This is just an all-around crazy year. My dad was just talking about Raul, the pool guy, the guy who's training me, and he said this is the most beautiful thing he's ever seen because he's from California, well, and from Mexico, but so he's never really seen snow like this. Man, this is gonna actually suck to drive in. They don't have salt trucks here. They have sand trucks. That's just pure slush. So hopefully on the bigger roads it'll be nicer. But this isn't that nice. The packing snow is amazing. I wish I could go make a snowman, but I gotta go class. So, look at that. It's like a belt. It's like, that's weird. Just kind of sitting on there. It's literally like a snow pile that I just ruined. Alright, well, I'm getting snowed on like crazy. I just can't, this is just nuts. Nutty nuts. Nutty. Ooh. Ooh. There's somebody driving. I'm gonna film. Driving along. It's probably a lot nicer on the main roads. It's really bad here. I'm gonna have to scrape off my car too. Alright guys. Well this will probably never happen again. Because I don't think so. Not at least for a long time. Unless this is how things are gonna be. But it's nuts. it's. I mean, it doesn't even snow this much a lot in Ohio. But, you know, right now it is, of course. It's crazy over there. But I'm so glad we got a taste of what you guys are getting over there in Ohio. So, see you guys. Goodbye.